Welcome to my review for this Aspiron Canister vacuum cleaner. This is the model and the user manual. You've got the PET power mate attachment, crevice nozzle. This is small dust brush and the upholstery brush. And you have the one that is the floor nozzle that you can do with your feet. I have cats. Now this is the cable. This is at full length. It is very powerful. Let's start it. With those big buttons that you can push with your feet, you can call back the cord. Just going to remove it from the wall. Sorry. You can see the beauty of it going back in. Yeah! This is a very powerful little vacuum. It is light and there's no bag. So let's see inside. Sorry. Got a filter. So the HEPA filter here, exhaust grid, and